Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how I prepare my air fryer sushi. For today's recipe, I am going to use fresh salmon steak. What I do is I cut it, I remove all the bones, and thinly slice it. Now I am going to make sushi rice. I only use mirin, about 2 teaspoons, for a cup of cooked short grain glutinous rice. You can always add a little bit of sugar and salt if you want it. Divide your sushi rice. It's up to you how thick your rice layer will be. But for me, thin layer of sushi rice is better. Now, layer your sliced fresh salmon in your sushi rice. Now it's ready to be air fried. Prepare your air fryer, set temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and air fry it for about 8 to 10 minutes. Now we are ready to assemble the sushi. Always use the original kipiu and put as many as you want, like what I did here. Now add your furikake. You can put as many as you want. This makes your sushi so delicious. As always, you can add sliced avocado and or julienne cucumber. And you can add more wasabi as well. There you have it, your air fryer sushi. As simply as it makes and as delicious as it tastes. For me, it's more better when you eat it with roasted seaweed. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. My channel is MyKitchen MyPlace. Please hit that notification bell and like button and comment and share this video. I'll see you next time. Bye!